Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to download other languages for our text-to-speech application in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for our TTS options and how to download more languages. So first of all we need to open settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options. Next, talkback. Then settings. And here we have our text-to-speech settings. So when we open text-to-speech settings, we have this cog option here. And here we have install voice data. And now here we have every language that is possible to download for our TTS. So we simply select language, and now we can download it using this symbol at the right. Of course, we need to have our internet enabled. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.